the lad. StickBoy's the name, never one to get mad. One day Nuisance came with tricks of ran chaos unfurled in all stick land. With a slap and a whack, Nuisance took his chance. StickBoy spun around in a comical dance. Catch me if you can, Nuisance would yell, as StickBoy prepared to give him what for hell. StickBoy's on the chase, so what a sight to see, dodging every prank with nimble foot and glee. Through stickland they dart in this vibrant jazz tune. Two stick figures chase under a cartoon moon. Through the paper trees and over pencil streams, StickBoy was quick, Nuisance had schemes. Every corner turned another trick to unfold, but StickBoy's resolve was brave and bold. StickBoy scratched his head, time for a twist. He outsmarted Nuisance with a tactical gist. Over swirls and lines the tables did turn. Now it was Nuisance who'd start to yearn. StickBoy's on the chase, so what a sight to see, dodging every prank with nimble-footed glee. Through stickland they dart in this vibrant jazz tune. Two stick figures chase under a cartoon moon.